Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about newly launched Lava Blaze 5G in a more variant with 6GB RAM plus 3GB additional virtual RAM. Let's take a closer look at the phone. The Blaze 5G comes with a premium glass back design in two colors, glass green and glass blue. At the bottom we have speaker grill type C port, mic and headphone jack. And on the right side we have power button with fingerprint scanner. The phone has a sleek and unique design that really sets apart from other smartphones. The Lava Blaze 5G has a 6.5 inches HD plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. The phone runs on Android 12 OS with a clean and blot-free software experience, and it also supports wideband L1 and yes, anonymous call recording option. Now let's talk about one of the most important feature of this phone, 5G connectivity. With 8 5G bands, you will be able to experience faster download and upload speed, lower latency, improved overall performance when using the internet. But what about other specs? Well, the Lava Blaze 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700. Blaze 5G comes with an octa-core processor with clock speed of 2.2 GHz, LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. Finally, let's talk about the camera part. Blaze 5G features a 50 megapixel AI triple rear camera setup with EIS support and 2K video recording option, and it comes with an 8 megapixel front selfie camera. Overall, the Lava Blaze 5G 6GB variant is a good option for those who are looking for a budget-friendly 5G phone. So if you are interested, you can check out the phone through the following links. The Blaze 5G will go on sale at a special price of 11,499 on the launch day 15th February. The price will be increased from 16th Feb onward. It will be sold exclusively on e-commerce platform lavamobiles.com and amazon.in. That's it for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And thanks for watching.